This comment animation template will work on Premiere Pro 2019 or the above versions. Let me show you how to edit and use this template. Open project file. Open animation sequence. Here I have included circle and rectangle images, both versions. Open logo or image sequence. Here you can add an image or logo. I am placing an image on the timeline. Go to the Effects control panel. Let's first decrease its opacity. Now decrease its scale value and try to keep face into the circle. Now change its opacity value to 100. It is looking good now. If you want to use the rectangle version, then enable the rectangle version layer and disable the circle version. To change text, open the Essential Graphics panel. Here you can change the name and font. Change text color here. Change subtext and color here. Leave circle and rectangle setting as it is. Change background color here. To export this template with transparent background, go to File, Export, Media. In Format, select QuickTime. Select Apple ProRes 4444 and Preset. Here click on Match Source. Check on Render at Maximum Depth. In Depth, select 16 bits per channel plus alpha. Also, click on Use Maximum Render Quality. Click on Export. After exporting you can use that clip as an overlay. That's it. Thanks for watching.